been getting a lot of flats lately, or at least a slow leak. So if you're ever doing a job for your tubeless tires, I recommend the Muc-Off Tubeless Rim Tape and the Stan's Tubeless Sealant. And this is what we look like with that sealant in there. And on this side, we can see the Muc-Off Rim Tape, which looks exactly how you'd expect it to. So you'll make sure when you do this, you're going to want to make sure that the rim tape is the proper diameter. This is the old stuff. It wasn't the proper diameter, so you had to go around more. I usually go 2 full passes around, and then right here at this valve, I'll start on this side, and then I'll go all the way around 1, all the way around 2, and then end right here. But that's just a quick breakdown on how to use this stuff for whatever tire setup you've got going on, whether you're on aluminum or carbon. This is the way to redo your tires on your bike.